Meaning of diplomatic service.
Diplomatic service.
Diplomatic service.
Diplomatic service.
Diplomatic service. The diplomatic service refers to a government agency responsible for managing a country's foreign affairs. It employs diplomats who represent their country abroad, negotiate treaties, engage in international relations, and promote their nation's interests. These diplomats also provide support and assistance to their citizens overseas, and work to resolve disputes and conflicts between nations. The diplomatic service plays a crucial role in shaping a country's foreign policy and maintaining its relationships with other nations. Ultimately, this helps to promote peace, stability, and prosperity both at home and abroad.